Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys two looks, one palette using the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. This is a beautiful palette, you guys. I don't want to blind you here. I'll do it this way. I don't want to blind you guys, but it is a beautiful palette. I have been having so much fun with it. So I came up with two looks. Obviously, this is one of the looks for you guys. But if you are wanting to see two different type of looks with this palette, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're doing look number one with this beautiful Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. This is by far my favorite packaging from them. It looks like this with the little mirror there. Isn't that so pretty? I think it's just gorgeous. I really do like this one. Alright, so for this look today, I think I want to go with like a yellow orangey type of look. So I'm going to, let me just make sure I got the names right. Okay, so we're going to go with Popsicle, which is this one right here. I'm sorry I'm blinding you guys. Let me go this way. Popsicle, which is this one right here. We're going to put this in to our crease to blend these out. This is a matte shade. This turned out to be a lot more yellow than orange, but it does have a yellow undertone to it, so it's actually a yellow shade. The next shade I want to grab is called Flamingos, which is this one right here, and this is definitely more of an orangey toned shade, so I want to concentrate this more on the crease. Definitely more orange. Now I'm going to grab Pineapple, which is this yellow right there. It's more of a shimmery shade. I'm going to grab it with my fingers. You guys can see it's super reflective. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, you guys know I just can't keep it this way. I am going to grab, this one's called Beach Balls, which this right here. I want to put this on my lower lash line, but I am going to use Jade Crush by Lancome as my waterline liner. So I'm going to do this first and then go in with that liner, or that shadow. So now I'm going to go in with Beach Balls on my lower lash line. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this green. It's like a green blue. Okay, so now I'm going to do my wing liner, lashes, mascara, and then we'll come back to do the rest of the face. All right, so I went with a bit dramatic lashes, as I always do, because it just needed it. I really like how this turned out. Okay, so now for my blush, I'm going to use this Benefit California blush here. So we're going to use just a tad bit of this to tie in the warm And then for highlight, I'm going to use my Alexa Persico blush, highlighting palette that I just can't get enough of. I'm going to use a mixture of Work It Girl and Golden Ticket, which are these two, the lighter two. I'm going to grab a little bit of both for the inner corner as well, and wet it, of course. I'm going to go with the Urban Decay Wicked Liner, but I'm going to use ColourPop's Cookie. Now, I don't know if this is available. It's like a nude shade, so you guys know how it is. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. So there is look number one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for look number two. Okay guys, so today we are here for look number two with the beautiful Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. And today, I don't know, there's just one color that I'm dying to use. So First, we're going to go with the shade called Coral, and I'm going to blow this all out as our transition shade in a way. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat this in. So the next shade I want to grab is this one called Sandals. Sandals a little bit more orangey based than the one that I used before, which was Flamingos. This one right here is definitely more orangey based and doesn't have any pink at all. So I'm going to do a halo look today. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this on the outer part as well as the inner part. And then I'm going to do the same at the bottom. Now I'm debating between Bikini, which is like this purple shade, or this one called Surf. But I think I'm going to go with Surf because I rarely do use those colors. And this is more like it's like a shift between a blue-green, which is pretty neat. So I'm going to put this in the center of my lid. Yeah, that's beautiful. That brush and just blend the edges out. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes, my mascara, my liner, and then I'll come back to finish the rest of the face with you guys. So all I did was put black liner on my lower lashes because I just figured it would be nice with black. Plus, I don't know if I have an orange liner for my inner waterline. I don't know, but anyway. So now for the cheeks, I'm going to take my Sweet Peach Glow palette and I'm going to go ahead and use this blush right here. And then for highlight, I think I am going to go with the actual highlight that's in here as well because I haven't used it in a while. So I'm going to go ahead and use that highlighter as well. And then I'm also going to use that as an inner corner highlight. For lips, I'm going to use this Wicked Liner by Urban Decay. And then I'm going to use this lipstick, this mini lipstick from Smashbox in Inspiration, which is like this pinky, deep fuchsia color. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed both of the looks using this Flamingo palette from Violet Voss. I have really been enjoying this one. I'm sure you guys have seen the review on this. I've really been enjoying it. I've really been having fun with the color range because I can do different themes and things in here. It's just not a very, you know, bold rainbow type of palette. So I really have been enjoying it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2 looks 1 palette. I had a blast doing this one. I think by far this is my favorite one that I've done. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.